Yo, yo, yo. Back with another one. It's my second trade for the day. I had took a loss on NASDAQ. This is my live account. See that? Live account. So, yeah, that was kind of a somewhat of a sniper entry. You need that thing to hit take profit. So I'm just waiting on this thing to hit take profit right now. Yeah, I took a loss on NASDAQ. I had my stop loss, so it stopped me out. Let's see what UJ finna do, man. This was more of what kind of trade this is? I would say this is more like a break and retest type trade. I broke that and retest. So yeah. Took a sorry behind loss on NASDAQ too. I said NASDAQ be with that bullshit, boy. When NASDAQ want to give up some money, that should be good. But when NAS want to motherfucking play, well, they gonna motherfucking play. Now gonna be with that fucking bullshit, boy. I swear. A lot of times NAS don't like to respect fucking levels and shit, or certain zones and shit that you might draw up, man. NAS do not. A lot of times NAS do not want to respect that shit. Whatever zone or trend line you might put there, NAS don't be respecting none of that. So I be having to go to like one of these pairs and shit and try to get off because, like I say, NASDAQ don't play fair. Come on, hit that take profit, man. You right there. Come on. You right there. Right fucking there. Or do I gotta get out manually? No, bitch, you gonna hit the take profit. Come on. Smash down the take profit. Man, come on, man. Literally right there. What I say, boy. Look at that. Literally right there. I wanna play. Look at that shit, bro. Like you literally gonna wick right there and not even take me out the trade, man. Come on, man. That shit so lame, bro. Man, look at that, bro. That's lame, bro. Man, ain't no damn fucking well, bro. Bro, it ain't no damn well, man. I probably got took out that fucking trade, bro. Yeah, man, that shit so fucking lame right there. Wow. Yeah. It figures. It figures. It figures. That's how the market do, bro. The market doesn't want to play fair. A lot of times the market do not want to play fair, bro. You gotta have patience. You gotta learn how to check your emotions and shit. Cannot let little shit like that phase you. Like how that bitch just got all the way to my take profit and now I want to try to do a little pullback. Man, you can't let shit like that phase you. You just gotta still be confident in what's going on and just go with that. Like, I know this shit finna smash through the take profit. I'm just finna hold it, bro, because it's in there bullshit. Like, they would want you to get out manually to take less money that you would get. You know what I'm saying? Even though this ain't much, I only put a penny on these motherfuckers, but still, these motherfuckers, no matter what I put on it, they go about the market. They go about it as if I got a few hundred on that bitch. Like, they don't want to give it up. So even if it's like $1 or $2, they don't want to get that shit up. Cause that $1 or $2, depending on the lot size, would be 100 or 200 or 1,000 or 2,000. You know what I'm saying? So even if it's like $1 or $2, they still gonna fucking play with that shit, bro. Like, they don't even want to give that $1 or $2 up, let alone 100 to 200, 1,000 to 2,000. 10 to 20 bands. Like, these motherfuckers out here to be having money on these trades. Way more than what I got on this trade. And they gonna fucking go the other way on your ass. But see how close that shit got to take profit and now I want to do all this fuck ass pullback shit. Like, man, they like, soon as I get in, you want to play me. Like, why you gotta play me? Soon as I get in, my little ass fucking account can't be what's affecting this damn market. And they say what they try to say though. What they try to say, all retail traders think alike. So when I get on them little moves, I get in thinking I'm the only one thinking like that. Nah, it's other motherfuckers out here thinking the same way. And the punk ass banks thinking the same way, so they gonna go counter whatever the fuck they feel like we thinking or what we do. I be thinking, damn, is it just me? Like, soon as I get in, the market wanna do the complete opposite type shit. Like, damn, my little ass motherfucking money can't be what dictate and move this fucking market, bro. I don't give a damn if it do go the opposite direction. Like, you just went in the opposite direction because I got in this $1 trillion some fucking market. All these motherfuckers that trade this shit. As soon as I get in, you want to go the other way? And then I just let me see. They finally hit me shit. Take profit smash, man.